day 2 of salon build at the new house, and we're doing the second row of concrete piles, basically using column formers. Got them all levelled out for the base and just doing it in the only way I know, section by section, to make sure I get it right. This is what they look like. These are some I poured a few days back. This is what they are like when they're empty and levelled out. And then once that's done, we're going to put these levelling plinth feet on for the base of the cabin. They are a 3-piece design with adjustability in height, and they are rated 2,500 kilos per foot, so that's pretty decent. Anyway, I'm going to get on with this and I'll show you once we have all these column formers filled and completed, and we'll get on with the timber side of it. Right, I've got those other 5 columns done, and I'll show you what they look like when they're going off, and then also I'll show you, because I took a few sleeves off. This is what they look like. Got my handy 4x2 for a bit of guidance for level, and then I had a bit extra, so I did that one. I've got to do 4 more, and I've got to go pick up a few more bags of ballast, because I've actually run out. Well, I've got 3 bags of ballast, but I won't do all of these. And then here's what they look like when the sleeving comes off. Lovely smooth surface on these. Well, these are the column formers. Sorry, it's a bit dark, that I've been using. These are from Pre-Con Products online. They've got a PVC liner. They have like a pull cord, so you can tear out the card after you've formed your columns. And the PVC liner gives you a really nice smooth finish. I've just been cutting these with a skill saw, which seemed to work pretty good. So I've laid down some weed membrane, I don't know what they call it, weed proof, who knows, and all my columns are done now. I've also placed these height adjustable pedestal things, which just sit on the concrete pillars. We have a water main supply on the corner of the house here, which I need to trench all the way somewhere in this area. Our front door section is going to be here, and then the rest is going to be one big room. This corner here, I'm going to put in like a reed bed waste to get rid of the grey water. So I'm working on a system, it's going to be a DIY system, to remove the shampoos with like a pre-filter, and then we will put a reed bed going down here, and then dispersing in this hillside here. So from this side it'll be quite high actually, so we'll have quite a good fall on it. We'll just do a little bit of landscaping down here to make like a nice mill style gully. I'm going to show you a little almost not an aerial view, but a high up view of the here it is. Let me just go into widescreen. You can see the setup now. It is 3.6 meters this way, 4.8 meters in length. Right, I'm starting the base today. I've got the 8x2 joist out, and we are going to cut them all to length. I'll show you what this is, the 4.8 length, and then we have 3.6 running across that way. Just going to lay out basically an L shape, so we can get a corner there, and then we can measure from this corner to this corner to make sure we're kind of square. We'll do the outer frame first, all the way around, and then square it up, put some supporting joists in between, like intermediates, and then the base will be done. Right, I've adjusted all the bases. This one had to have partial slab in it, and we managed to wind the centre adjustment piece, the threaded part, all the way down. This one was fine. This one needed a slab, as we mentioned already. The rest of them absolutely fine. So I've managed to shuffle these corner ones on a bit further so they're not overhanging. The only one which is potentially annoying me is this one here. It's actually way off, but it's still on the pad. I just don't like it, but there's not a lot I can do about that. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to live with it and hope that no one comments about it. Either way, this is sort of, I don't know, 1.5 feet high, so we'll be building like a mini step around this, so hopefully it won't be so much of an eyesore for me. But yeah, that's the main base done. There it is. I'm going to do the intermediates after I've had some lunch, but that's probably it for this video because it just is. So see you next time.